protein synthesis in the subject human biology. There are 20 different amino acids in human body. A cell uses the sequence of bases in the DNA to synthesize these amino acid chains. These amino acid chains will form the protein, and this process is what called protein synthesis. And this protein synthesis happens in two main stages: transcription and translation. Transcription is the initial stage of protein synthesis, and this happens in the nucleus. We already know the structure of the DNA. It is a double-stranded helix structure. So first of all, this helix structure should unwind and unzip. So the enzyme goes and break the hydrogen bonds in the DNA, and it unzips the DNA. And one strand is going to act as the coding strand. In this case, this strand is acting as the coding strand. So the RNA nucleotide molecules will come and line up and make the mRNA. And the nucleotide molecules will bind with the complementary bases. We know the complementary bases. Thymine is complementary base for adenine, and adenine for uracil, cytosine for guanine, and guanine for cytosine. So in such way, the mRNA molecule is synthesizing. Once after the successful transcription of a particular section of DNA, which is a gene, the messenger RNA will move from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. It moves through the nuclear pores in the nuclear membrane. Here you can see how the messenger RNA is leaving the nucleus. So this is what happens during the transcription process. The second stage of protein synthesis is translation. This happens in the ribosome of the cytoplasm. Translation is the converting the code in the mRNA into a protein. That is what the translation means. The mRNA, which has transcribed the data, the codons from the DNA, is now attached to the ribosome. By this stage, the mRNA code consists of sets of 3 bases. The bases will arrange in 3. Okay? This triplet of bases are called codons, and each codon codes for a particular amino acid, which means the codon AUG, which is a start codon, codes for the methionine. Now the tRNA begins its part. Here you can see the structure of tRNA. In one end of the tRNA, it is containing the anticodons. So the codon is GAG, and the anticodon is complementary for the codon. So see, the CUG is the anticodon for the codon GAG. In the other side of the tRNA, there is a site for the amino acids to bind. So the codon GAG codes for the amino acid glutamic acid. So in such way, tRNA brings the amino acid to the mRNA. So in this video, you can see how the protein synthesis, actually the translation part, is taking place. First, the tRNA brings the amino acid to the mRNA. Then the second tRNA brings the amino acid to the mRNA. During this time, the bond is formed between the 2 amino acids, and then the first tRNA leaves the mRNA, and this process gets repeated, and a chain of amino acid is now formed. You can see the process in this video. So see, the bond is forming and the first tRNA is leaving the mRNA. So the chain of this amino acid make a 3D structure and forms a protein. So this is how the protein is synthesized in human body. So I hope you understood the lesson. Stay home, stay safe.